Hello, friends. Today we're taking a tasty trip into the story of one of Germany's most famous street foods, Currywurst. Our story begins in Berlin, 1949. Germany was recovering from World War II, and the city was divided. But street food culture was starting to re-emerge. A Berlin woman named Herta Huer got some curry powder from British soldiers stationed in the city. She mixed it with ketchup and other spices and poured it over grilled bratwurst. The Currywurst was born. Her creation became an instant hit with busy Berliners. From that single stall, Currywurst spread across Germany, becoming a comfort food for workers, travelers, and tourists alike. Today, Currywurst is more than just a snack. It's a cultural icon. Berlin even has a Currywurst museum, celebrating this spicy, saucy treat. So next time you take a bite of Currywurst, remember, it's a taste of history. Have you ever tried Currywurst? Share your experience in the comments.